Who is this guy? Why is he talking to me? How does he qualify to talk about this? Well, I could be thinking exactly those things. And if you look at my profile, well, I'm not a psychologist. I'm actually a computer scientist, a PhD in computer science. So I do not qualify. Yeah, I know, I do not qualify on paper. But you know what? I have two other things in my luggage. I have a life story, and I have an obsession with trying to feel good about myself. So my life story. I usually think I started the most hopeless place in life. I was introverted, I was shy, and I was suffering from social anxiety. After 1 month in kindergarten, they called my mom, and you know what they said? They were like, "Oh, we're worried about your son. We think there's something wrong. He hasn't said one single word for 1 month, not even to the other kids. We have never seen anything like that. He's just sitting alone." You know what? That's how it is to be introverted. That's how it is to be shy. That is how it is to suffer from social anxiety. Around my 20th birthday, I realized one big thing. And I actually think it was the biggest thing I ever realized in my life. I realized if I wanted to feel better, if I wanted to feel comfortable around other people, I needed to change. I needed to take action because it didn't come by itself. All I ever wanted in life was to feel comfortable around other people. Actually, I'm lying. I wanted a bit more. I wanted to be perceived as confident. So around 20, I committed myself to change. I wanted to feel good. And you know what's funny? Along this journey, I met so many people that I could relate to because I used to feel exactly like them. And you know what? I could help them progress. I could help them feel better about themselves. So this is why I created this course. I want to help you. I want to help you feel good at parties. So this is my mission with this course. I hope you will enjoy it.